A house is much more than just a place for you to live. A house is a statement, and the more that I can create life to the house, the more interesting it becomes. We chose to put the kitchen in the perfect spot of the house because inevitably, this is where you live. And if this is where you're gonna live, this is a place where we should certainly live to the fullest. You have to take advantage of the vastness. There's Catalina, Palos Verdes. You also have this enormous vista of the hill section. So the fact that we're elevated so high means that you have the ability to capture so much. There's so many things that are linked together that make the house what it is. There's not one item. I mean, there's a great master bathroom, there's a great basement, there's great architectural appeal. Everything is subtle. It's the ensemble of all of the elements that came together. What I would kind of call this house is, this is a hill section vista, this is hill section parking, this is hill section size of home, but it's all right in the middle of the sand section.